Welcome to the online classes. We have discussed force analysis. Chapter 3rd, force analysis. Force analysis. So there are various types of forces that is to be acting on the bodies. How these forces is to be acting? So first we have to determine the first forces that is to be weight. First is weight. Weight is actually a force. Weight is a force acting vertically downward. Weight is a force acting vertically downward. This is a mass and
बात अब उन्नीस पर आओ जैसे
this is the center of mass that is it is center of mass and this is the center of mass and this is the geometrical center of mass. We have assumed that all the objects we have to studies in the force analysis all of uniform densities. If their density is to be uniform, then mass distribution is to be uniform. If mass distribution is uniform, then we can say that the whole of the body is uniformly distributed mass and the center of mass is always acting at the center point of the geometry. So we have to see. It means we have only see that weight is acting only vertically downward direction, and magnitude of weight is equal to mg. This is the magnitude and down direction is vertically downward. These are the points we have to remember. The magnitude of the force is this and the direction of the force is this. The next forces that is to be analyzed, that is normal reaction. Normal reaction. The first forces we have to analyze, that is to be weight, and weight is acting in the vertically downward direction and its magnitude is equal to mg. And the second force that is to be analyzed, that is to be called normal reaction. This is also a contact forces. Weight is also a contact forces. When the body is in contact, then it is acting vertically downward directions. These are the normal reaction. How the normal reaction can be defined? Suppose this is the body and this is our block. This block is placed on a ground. This is this block compress the ground because of weight. We have to know the weight is acting vertically downward and this block compress the grounded by a force of weight, that is to be mg. Here Newton says that for every action there is a equal and opposite reaction. It means this block compress this ground, and here we see that this ground acting a vertically upward direction force, that is called normal reaction, and this is actually normal reaction. Why this weight, this normal reaction is come? This is comes due to the weight of the liquid, weight of the body. So here this is the normal reaction, and here we see that normal reaction is equal to mg. This is same as the weight of body. If the block is placed horizontal direction, then this is normal reaction is equal to mg. If this block is placed in the horizontal plane, then this mg is not equal to normal reaction. Then there is some other values, that is to be different values in the next cases. So we have to see that normal reaction is also called a contact forces. This is a contact force. Contact force. And this is normal reaction is equal to mg in this case. This is the normal reaction.